Hey there, everybody. Let's talk about fruit. Fruit is so delicious. It's like nature's candy, right? Bursting with colors, flavors, and nutrients, fruits are a delightful treat that nature offers us. Sweet fruits are my absolute favorite. From the luscious mangoes to the succulent strawberries, each bite is a burst of natural sweetness. They taste amazing and are really good for you. What's not to love? Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to stay healthy. We all love a sweet treat now and then, and fruits are the perfect way to satisfy that craving without any guilt. But sometimes candy can be bad for you. It's loaded with refined sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives that can harm your health in the long run. It's full of sugar and doesn't have any good stuff. But sweet fruits? They're a whole different story. They offer natural sugars that our bodies can process more efficiently. They're a whole different story. Fruits are not just sweet, they are also hydrating and full of fiber, which aids in digestion. They've got the sweetness you crave, but also tons of vitamins and minerals. Grapes, for instance, are rich in antioxidants, while kiwis are packed with vitamin C. Think of biting into a juicy mango or a ripe strawberry. The natural sweetness and the burst of flavor are simply irresistible. So good! And the best part? You can enjoy them guilt-free, knowing you're nourishing your body. You're giving your body something it truly needs. Apples are great for your heart, and bananas provide a quick energy boost. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Imagine a picnic with a variety of fruits, each one offering a unique taste and health benefit. So next time you're craving something sweet, skip the processed stuff. Grab some fruit instead. It's a simple choice that can make a big difference in your health. Your body will thank you for it. Trust me. You'll feel more energized, and your skin will glow with the natural goodness of fruits. And you know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are not only delicious, but also great for your overall health. Or was it a banana? I can never remember. Either way, both are fantastic choices for a healthy snack. And don't forget, you can get creative with fruits. Make a smoothie, a fruit salad, or even a fruit-based dessert. The possibilities are endless. So, let's celebrate nature's candy jar and make fruits a part of our daily lives. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Okay, let's talk about vitamins and minerals. These are like superheroes for your body. And guess what? Sweet fruits are packed with them. From the vibrant oranges to the juicy strawberries, each fruit is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Vitamins and minerals help your body grow strong and healthy. They play a crucial role in maintaining your overall well-being. They boost your immune system, give you energy, and so much more. Imagine having a natural energy drink that also strengthens your defenses. And the best part is, sweet fruits are like natural multivitamin gummies. Take oranges, for example. They're not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're bursting with vitamin C, which is like a shield against colds. This vitamin is essential for the repair and growth of tissues in your body. And those bright red strawberries? They're not just eye-catching, but also packed with goodness. They're full of antioxidants, which fight off bad stuff in your body. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and keep you feeling youthful. So every time you eat a sweet fruit, imagine you're giving your body a team of tiny superheroes. Each bite is a step towards a healthier you. They're working hard to keep you healthy and feeling your best. So next time you reach for a snack, remember the power-packed benefits of sweet fruits. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or just as they are. Now let's talk about fiber. Don't worry, it's not as boring as it sounds. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestion. It keeps things moving smoothly and helps you feel full and satisfied. And guess what's a great source of fiber? You got it, sweet fruits. They're like little fiber powerhouses, especially fruits like raspberries, pears, and apples. So next time you're feeling a little sluggish, reach for a piece of fruit. It'll give your digestion a boost and keep you feeling light and energized throughout the day. We all need energy to power through our days, right? Well, sweet fruits are like nature's energy bars. They're full of natural sugars that give you a quick and sustained energy boost. Think about it. When you need a quick pick-me-up, what's better than a banana? It's like nature's power snack, perfect for before or after a workout, or just when you're feeling a little drained. And it's not just bananas. Sweet fruits like grapes, mangoes, and pineapples are also great energy boosters. They're like little sunshine snacks that brighten your day and keep you going. Section 5. Antioxidants are tiny superheroes. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They're like tiny superheroes fighting off bad stuff in your body. And sweet fruits are loaded with them. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, which can lower your risk of getting sick. They're like little warriors fighting to keep you healthy and strong. So every time you enjoy a handful of berries, a juicy peach, or a sweet mango, remember you're giving your body an army of antioxidants. They're working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you feeling your best. Section 6, apples, a crunchy delight. Let's talk about apples. They're like the classic sweet fruit, and for a good reason. Apples are crunchy, juicy, and oh so refreshing. They come in so many varieties, from sweet to tart. There's an apple for everyone. Plus, they're super versatile. You can eat them on their own, add them to salads, bake them into pies, or make delicious applesauce. And the best part? Apples are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, grab an apple. It's a classic for a reason. Section 7. Bananas, potassium powerhouse. Next up, we have bananas. These curved yellow wonders are a staple in many households, and for a good reason. Bananas are like nature's convenience food. They come in their own packaging. What's easier than that? But bananas are more than just convenient. They're also incredibly nutritious. They're an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Plus, they're full of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So whether you enjoy them sliced on your cereal, mashed into banana bread, or simply peeled and enjoyed straight up, bananas are a delicious and nutritious choice. Section 8. Berries, small but mighty. Don't underestimate berries just because they're small. These little gems are packed with flavor and nutrition. They're like nature's candy, but without the added sugar and guilt. From sweet strawberries to tart raspberries and juicy blueberries, there's a berry out there for everyone. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, bake them into muffins, or top your yogurt with them. And the best part? Berries are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious treat, reach for a handful of berries. You won't regret it. Section 9. The allure of sweetness. Let's be honest, we all have a sweet tooth. It's just human nature. But instead of reaching for processed, sugary snacks, why not indulge in the natural sweetness of fruit? Sweet fruits are Mother Nature's way of satisfying our cravings without all the added sugar and artificial ingredients. Their sweetness is natural and wholesome, making them the perfect guilt-free treat any time of day. So next time your sweet tooth starts calling, listen to your body and reach for a piece of fruit. It's the sweetest, healthiest choice you can make. Section 10. Juicy textures and vibrant colors. One of the best things about sweet fruits is their incredible variety of textures and colors. From the smooth, creamy texture of a banana to the juicy burst of a grape, each fruit offers a unique sensory experience. And let's not forget about those vibrant colors. The bright reds, yellows, oranges, and purples of sweet fruits are not only visually appealing, but also a sign of their rich nutrient content. So next time you're at the grocery store, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the fruit aisle. It's like a rainbow of flavors and textures, just waiting to be explored. Section 11. Indulge in nature's goodness. So there you have it. Sweet fruits are more than just a tasty treat. They are nature's way of offering us a delicious and nutritious gift. These vibrant, colorful fruits are bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Each bite is a step towards better health and vitality. By incorporating more sweet fruits into your diet, you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body from the inside out. It's a win-win situation. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing fruit smoothie or enjoying a fruit salad as a midday snack. So go ahead, indulge in the goodness of nature's candy. Whether it's a juicy apple, a sweet mango, or a handful of berries, each fruit offers unique benefits. Your body will thank you for it. Trust me on that. Fruits not only boost your immune system, but also improve your skin health, aid digestion, and provide a natural energy boost. And remember, you can never go wrong with a little fruit in your life. Add them to your breakfast cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as they are. It's good for the soul. Sharing fruits with friends and family can also be a delightful experience, bringing people together and creating joyful moments. and we could all use a little more soul. Fruits are not just food, they are a way to connect with nature and with each other. Be kind to one another, share the goodness of fruits and spread the joy. After all, a healthy life is a happy life.